case study number 1, question A, calculate the total interest charge for each bank. So for Muda Bank, we know that the interest rate charged is 5.34% compounded semi-annually. So from the question, we know that the principal is 25,000, the time is 4 years, the annual nominal rate is 5.34%, and the frequency of conversion is 2 because it is compounded semi-annually. So to solve this question, we can use the formula S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket in the power of N. So when we substitute the information given in the question into the formula, we get S equals to 25,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0267 bracket in the power of 8. And the answer we will get 30,866 and 58 cents. To find the total interest charged by the bank, we could use the formula I equals to S minus P, which is I equals to 30,866 ringgit and 58 cents minus 25,000. And for the answer, we will get 5,866 ringgit and 58 cents.
So for my part, let's move on and calculate the interest charged for Kukuh Bank. Let's take a look at the question and extract any information that we can find. First of all, principal or P is 25,000 ringgit. Time or T is 4 years. Annual nominal rate or K is 5.85%. Don't forget to change the rate to decimal point. Lastly, frequency conversion or M. The formula for M will be 12 over X, and in this case, 12 is over 2. Therefore, our M is 6. We're not done yet. There are 2 information that are not given but we are required to find. Firstly being I, or the periodic interest rate. The formula for I is K over M. K is 0.0585 and M is 6. Therefore, our I is 0.0095. The next thing we have to find is N, which is the number of interest periods in the loan period. The formula for N is M times T. Therefore, from the information that we found, M is 6 and T is 4. Therefore, M is 24. This is the formula to calculate the maturity value. Let's input all the information that we found into the formula and calculate the answer. Based on our calculation, our maturity value is 31,555 ringgit and 33 cents. Lastly, to calculate our interest charge, let's minus the maturity value with the principal, which is I equals to S minus P. Based on our calculation, our final answer for interest charge will be 6,555 ringgit and 35 cents. So based on our answer in A, we should choose company Muda Bank. This is because interest charged by Muda Bank is lower, which is 5,866 ringgit and 58 cents compared to Kukuh Bank, which is 6,555 and 33 cents.
Question C. After 2.5 years, the bank changed the rate to 6% compounded monthly. How much should you pay at the end of 5 years? Calculate the total interest paid. So from the question, it is given that principal 1 equals to 25,000, time 1 equals to 1.5 years, the annual nominal rate is 0.0534, and the frequency of conversion is 2. So to solve this question, we could use the formula S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket in the power of N. So when we substitute the information given in the question into the formula, we get S1 equals to 25,000 bracket 1 plus 0.067 bracket 8. And the answer will be 27,056 ringgit. Now we have the second principal, which is 30,866 ringgit and 58 cents. Second time, which is 2.5 years. The second annual nominal rate, which is 6%. And the second frequency of conversion, which is 12. So we substitute the given information into the formula, which is S2 equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket in the power of N. So it is 27,056 bracket 1 plus 1 over 200 bracket 30. And then we will get 27,056 ringgit bracket 1.161400083 bracket. And the answer for this will be 31,422 ringgit and 84 cents. Now, to find the interest paid, we can use the formula I equals to S minus P, which is I equals to 31,422 ringgit and 84 cents minus 25,000. And our final answer for this question will be 6,422 ringgit and 84 cents.
Case study 2. King Bank offer 3.12% interest that is compounded monthly for 30 years. When there's the keyword compounded, it usually means chapter 4. Therefore, we are going to use the annuity formula. A equals to R and so on. The A equals to R is also a loan formula because the question says that Mr. Faizul is going to loan from a bank. So we are using the present value formula. And to find A, you have to first take cash price minus down payment and you will get 440,000, which is your A. And after you insert all the required information for the formula, you will get R equals to 2,311.76 cents.
For question A, calculate the periodic payment and the interest charged for each option. Periodic payment is R. To find R, we use the formula A is equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of negative n divided by I and close bracket. After that, you just enter the number to the formula and you will get the answer, which is 2,886 ringgit 23 cents. To find interest charge, which is I, the formula is I is equal to NR minus A. After that, you guys just enter the number to the formula, which is 300 times 2,886 ringgit 23 cents minus 540,000 ringgit, and you guys will get the answer is 325,866 ringgit.
Question B. Based on the calculation in A, which option should Mr. Faizul choose? Based on the calculation in A, Mr. Faizul should choose first option because the interest charge is lower, therefore it will benefit the customer more.
CI, to find how much additional payment does he have to make, by subtracting n equal to 360 minus 30, we will get 330 because he wants to settle all of the loan immediately after paying the 30 payment. To solve this question, we use the formula A, which is A equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of negative n divided by I, then close bracket. Then it's the same, just insert the number into the formula. The answer is 511,715 ringgit 51 cents.
To answer question C2, we will be using I equals to NR minus A because this is the formula for interest paid. First of all, we will take 330 as N because originally it is 360. The question stated that he has paid the 30th payment, therefore we should minus 30 from 360. And after inserting R and A, you will get 222,880.80 cents.
The last question for my part is question D. He has not paid his first 6 payment. How much should he pay on his 7th payment to settle all outstanding errors? For settle all outstanding errors, we use formula S, which is S equal to R open bracket again 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 divided by I, and then close bracket. Just insert the number to the formula and we will get the answer, which is 16,309.9 cents.